ever torn so deep, falling down through the clouds. I'm feeling you.
And just like that, I am back in Dubai, bringing to you guys another travel vlog. I flew from Trondheim to Oslo, and there was crazy amounts of snow, so I almost missed my Oslo Dubai flight. Had to run, had the tightest pants on ever, so I had like a build-up of lactic acid in my legs from running, pulling 2 bags and a backpack. I thought they were going to rip. Then it got interesting. I got on the plane, and we flew business class this time. With the lie flat beds, I was not flexible enough to climb over the person next to me, because you've got to go over where their feet are. I only had like maybe that much limitation, and I couldn't lift my legs anyway that way. So from the flight from Oslo to Dubai, I only went to the toilet when the cabin lights came back on and the pilot said, please can we all get ready for descent. Then I managed to go to the toilet, so it was like next level mind games. I had to like try and concentrate, keep it to myself, and I was so tired by the time I got to Dubai. Instead of going to arrivals, I went through to connecting flights. So I was taking off my belt, put all my stuff, went to the conveyor belt, got to the other side. I'm like, wait, I'm actually going to arrivals, I'm not going to connecting flights. So then I had to come back out. I went to this big board where I thought it was all the like to show where the conveyor belts, what conveyor belt your bag's going to be on. And I stood there for like 10 minutes, and I was like, my EK 5578, whatever it was from Oslo, is just not coming up. Then I looked above it, and it said connecting flights. So I was like, I'm still in the wrong place. Eventually found it, came back here, got back here maybe about 6 hours ago. No, probably about 5 hours ago. Haven't recorded anything else because as we got here, my mom actually had to tell me that she had to go for an emergency operation as she landed in Dubai, but they didn't want to tell me because yesterday I was doing my final exam for my master's, and I'm a huge crybaby when it comes to anything to do with my mom. I don't like seeing her getting hurt or anything like that. So that like took me back quite a bit. So we just been resting up now. We went and had breakfast. We are staying at the Grand Hyatt. What is it called, Mom? Hyatt Regency Dubai Residency. It's a 5-star hotel. I can't wait to show you guys it. I don't want to give away any like little bits of it so far, so I'm going to wait and give you guys a full tour, because my rest of my family, my 2 sisters, brother and Cassandra's boyfriend Mick, who's part of the family, they're flying in later tonight, so I don't want to give away any surprises. I want them to just come in here and just be absolutely blown away, because instead of you normally go on holiday, you book a room or anything, my mom always just absolutely spoils us. She takes everything to the next level. Super proud of her, always working hard, always pushing the boundaries. She got us a whole suite. So it's 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, yeah, it's just a kitchen, a dining room, just a huge lounge, the views looking over Dubai, the creek everywhere. It's just absolutely amazing. I can't wait to show you guys it now. We're going to quickly head to the supermarket. It's called Carrefour. It's just like pretty much like a Walmart type vibe. All really cool low price stuff. We're just going to go buy some sun cream, protect us from the sun, especially me coming from minus 18 degree weather to now the hot Dubai heat. But that's just a quick little update, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Dubai is always my favorite place to come. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm just getting ready now to head down to the pool, check the gym out, but first look at this view. This is on the Sheikh. I can't think of his name right now, but this is the main street. It's right where everything happens in Dubai, but my mom's feeling really, really awful. She's in bed, busy sleeping. I don't blame her, feeling really sorry for her. Booked this all in March for all this to happen, but she's in good spirits, hoping it's all going to progressively get better. I'm sure it will. Tomorrow we're going to head to doing the indoor skiing, but I'm going to show you guys the gym. Show you a little CrossFit workout I might be doing just to get the blood flowing, get everything going, then jump in the pool, come back up, see if my mom needs any help. And we're on the 35th floor, so it's nearly the top floor. Can't wait to show you guys the apartment a little bit later. Can't wait for the rest of my family to arrive, and I hope you guys just sit back and enjoy this video. Just got inside the gym. I'm going to show you guys around it. It's really big, really beautiful. A couple different rooms. Show you guys what it's like, what I'm experiencing, and then let's get to the workouts. So this is room 1. Pretty big, spacious. A couple machines in there. Some grass like patching on the floor. Decent little view out the back. And then it works in like a semicircle to a full circle. So you've got all of these machines over here. A little bit of outside area, ellipticals, some treadmill bikes, some treadmills, some more spinning bikes, some more treadmills. So you can see by the way I'm walking how it's almost like a semicircle. We get into this area. More weights, and then the battle ropes over here I'm going to be doing, and a little CrossFit section where I can even do some ball shots to the top there. This is where I'm going to be working out and just think over what workout I'm going to put together. I'll set up the tripod. Let's get a sneaky little work. For my first round of exercise, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using that 5 kg ball. It's the heaviest one they got, and I'm going to be throwing that squat throws. I'm going to do 15 of those, but before that I'm going to do a minute high intensity on the rower, which is right over there. You can't even see, but the rows over there. I'm going to do 1 minute high intensity of that, straight into 15 throws. Try and do it 3 or 4 times. Straight after that I'm going to go to, I've seen it on Matt Fraser posted it, Steve Cook posted it, but instead of doing 3 of each minute on the minute, I'm going to try and do 3 to 4 rounds of 12 each, which you start off with a deadlift, flick it, front squat into a push press, 12 sets of those, 12 reps, not 12 sets, I ain't about that blah. And then see from there, maybe some swings, some battle ropes, then I'm going to get back up. That was absolute torture. If you don't believe me, you can ask the lactic acid pump that I've got on my quads. I can't even pull my swim shorts down. That's how badly pumped up they are. Feeling really lightheaded. Feel like I'm about to pass out. That's why I like trying new things. I hated CrossFit, hated the idea what it thought for. Then I started watching Matt Fraser, Chris Ronning, and all of those top guys, seeing how it's their mind that pushes them to the next level, and so that I wanted to challenge myself. I want to do that. This is why I do it here. Like I said, I'm going skiing tomorrow, so for the next one it's going to be deadlift into push press, and then with ropes for 20 reps, 4 sets on time. Putting myself through hell, but after this I get to go relax. Got to burn off that Big King XXL Burger King burger at for lunch, so complaining ain't doing nothing. Let's get this done. Yeah buddy. This is the first time I've ever tried this workout, ever tried this movement going from a deadlift into a shoulder push press, so a bit shit. You know, then we get better at practice, so keeping it raw. This is the pool area. You come out here, just the other side of the gym. Just a nice little pool, nothing too hectic. You can see all the way out there, little floating pool, overlooking the traffic in the city. I'm battling even just hold this tripod up. I understand the last exercise I did 3 rounds of 6 reps on the deadlift and push press, and then 25 to 30 seconds on the battle ropes, and it destroyed me. Like, I've played rugby at a pretty high level. The intensity and the training and stuff we did, they used to kill me, but this probably the hardest training session I've done in about the last 2 years. I was in now in 40 minutes, but now I'm going to get some recovery in there, and I'm looking forward to it. But surprisingly, it's actually pretty chilly outside here compared to how Dubai normally is. Also, it's about 5:30 in Norway where I'm living. It will be pitch black.
Tears that I will not regret. Sacrifice will prove instead.
Still tired, man. But are you guys ready to see what a 3-bedroom suite looks like in one of the top hotels in Dubai? You sure you're ready? Let's hope this is my number. It's not letting me go in. Please do it, guys. I'm just joking. You're gonna have to subscribe. Just stay tuned, check my next video out, and I'll give you guys a tour of the place. Please remember, just hit that subscribe button. It costs nothing. Hit that notification button if you want to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for the support. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for giving me input in it. And thank you so much for the love. Hope you guys enjoyed.